Good day to you. Let's look at this question together. The question on the board is one of the questions that was asked in biology in the 2025 West African Senior School Certificate Examination. And question number 4 says, a couple heterozygous for albino genes have normal skin color. What is the probability that their child would be an albino? Option A, 1/4. Option B, 1/3. Option C, 1/2. Option D, 1. You need to understand that albinism, derived from the word albino, is a situation in which an individual lacks melanin, which is responsible for skin pigmentation. Since these couples are heterozygous for the gene albino, they still have normal human skin. Why? It is simply because the gene that is responsible for albinism is recessive, that is not expressed. What then is the probability that their child would be an albino? Although they have a normal skin color, yet they are carrier for the trait. You need to understand that during sexual reproduction, one of the characteristics of sexual reproduction is gamete production. Gamete production. In this case, a normal human without an albino trait will be represented with AA, whereas someone who is a carrier, who is heterozygous for this trait, will be represented with capital letter A, small letter a. Since both couples are heterozygous for this trait, that means both couples possess this. The man possesses this and the female possesses this. During sexual reproduction, don't forget as I've earlier said, that gamete production is one of the key features. So the female produces her own gamete and the male produces his own gamete. Using the Punnett square method to explain this, this part represents the female and this part represents the male. So there will be combination of genes. This combines with this to produce AA. 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 Now, 4 offspring were produced as a result of this combination. One of the offsprings has capital letter A, that this person is normal, is not a carrier, does not have the trait for albinism. 2 of the offspring possess AA, that is, they are carrier for this trait, albinism. Although they still retain the normal skin color, but they still have the trait responsible for albino in them. Whereas one of them possesses the trait AA, that is small letter a, small letter a. This shows that this offspring is affected with albinism. So out of the 4 offspring that were produced, only one of them is affected by albinism. Therefore, the answer to this question is option A, which is 1/4. For more educative content like this in biology, kindly follow me on this platform. Don't forget to like this video so that others can see it and learn through it. See you in our next class.